Hey, how you guys doing? This is Patrick, and I'm the creator of Lead Generated. So today I'm going to give you a short demo of how the system works, and we'll dive into it a little bit now. So there's 7 different modules. So the first module is the lead management module, and what this does is it pulls in all your leads from all your different websites and puts them in one location. So there's some cool visualizations in here. You can look at them from a lot of different angles. So you can look at them by website or company. You can look at them by your clients. You can look at the latest leads. Your clients have a login, so they can use this as a CRM for themselves, which is a really nice value add. There's some spam filters in here, which will just absolutely destroy form submission spam that's coming in. So in our agency, we have more than 300 lead gen websites across the country, and this is blocking 15,000 messages a month with only a few that escape it on a monthly basis, and it kind of learns as you go. So it's a pretty powerful system. The next area is the reputation management. And this will help you get more good reviews. And if you guys don't know, reviews are a ranking factor. So it puts everything in this nice dashboard. It allows you to respond to all your the reviews from within one area, so you don't have to log into all these different properties. It uses this funnel. So the way the funnel works is you can customize this, and then what you do is you would send a link to whoever you would try to get the review from. And if they click on 5 stars, it can take them to the review site, and they can leave that positive review. But maybe they're not happy, and this time they click on let's click out of here. They click on 1 star, and it will take them to a feedback form, and that can be routed to the client. Additionally, this can be automated by creating your own sequence. So if they leave a review, it will pull them out of the sequence, but you could set it up to say send a review now and maybe another one in 2 or 3 days. We have this heat map tool here, and what this does. So the most valuable part of your search is this area right here. This is the map area. And what this tool does is it allows you to see the rankings for any company across a geographical area that you define. So in this situation, this company, they're ranking 20th. As we saw on the last screen, only the top few companies are going to be visible. Only the top 3, right, are going to be the ones that are visible. So, for instance, this company here, in this spot, if you would perform the search roofing company from this location on the map, then you would rank 4th. Over here, they're 1st, and this will give you that kind of report. This is great for doing research and finding ways to improve how you're ranking. It's also really good for prospecting because you can show a company like, hey, this is how you're ranking. Let me help you, right? And you can do due diligence to find out who the top person is in the market and how well they're doing, and decide if that's a good market. Due diligence is a really important part of the process so that you can make sure you're going into the easier markets and you can rank faster and find clients easier. So to that end, we built another tool, this due diligence tool, which will allow you to kind of go through and fill this out, and then based on your answers, you can give it a rating, and then you can compare those and see which niche is the best to go into. As we mentioned, the Google My Business is a really important area. So what we have here is we have a connection that you can add in all your Google My Businesses from all these different locations and all your different websites, and put them in one dashboard where you can manage them all from one spot. All the different parts and pieces of it, you can edit them. You can make all these changes. You can add photos, respond to reviews, you can schedule posts. Posts are a ranking factor. So you can keep posts coming onto your Google My Business through this system here. You can see the insight data. So any of the searches that have come here, photo views, phone calls, all this stuff is right here. And you can get real-time notifications for any changes to your GMB. So you can get that in an email or an in-app notification up here. Okay, so also we have a Google Ads tool. So for building Google Ads, you can build hundreds of ads that have a very high relevance to the keywords, which is going to reduce your ad cost and make it possible to stretch your budget a little bit further. And then we have this client questionnaires module. So what this does is it allows you to gather information from your new clients, and it takes it and it puts it in one spot where you can view it. It looks really professional. It saves you from having to ask the same question twice, and it lets your clients know when they sign up and they see a onboarding system like this. It looks like you've done this before. So we've got some integrations that really extend the functionality of Lead Generated in a lot of different directions, such as Zapier. So this connects to 2,000 different applications: Facebook, Google, Weebly, WordPress, all sorts of different connections. We have different user types so that you can manage this. Clients can log in and see their information. So it's a really powerful system. And as you can see, there's a lot of parts and moving pieces here. So what we've done is we've taken our system and we've turned it into you can learn as you go. So we have, if you look up here, There's a getting started section in each module, and there's videos and step-by-step guides that are going to take you through things and track. You can track your progress. You can see it says 73%. If I uncheck this, now it's down to 63%. So it's going to let me know where I'm at, and I can kind of take these bite-sized chunks as I need them. So thanks for checking out Lead Generated. As you can see, it's a really powerful system. It's made a huge difference in our agency. It's taken the place of several different employees. It's created a lot of automation. It's reduced our costs. It's made sales and prospecting a lot easier. And, you know, over the last couple years of using this system and then comparing it to what it was like before we had it, our ability to scale has just gone through the roof. And we've seen some amazing results in our agency, going from, I think, 7 or 8 people to 35 people we have now. And, you know, I think we're producing 10,000 leads or more a month. So really powerful system. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.